Locating the battery in your ADT Doorbell Camera.
Hello, and welcome to our quick guide on finding the battery in your ADT Doorbell Camera. This is an essential step if you're looking to replace or check the condition of your doorbell camera's battery. Knowing the exact location of the battery can make your task easier and quicker.
What is an ADT Doorbell Camera?
An ADT doorbell camera is a smart home security device that not only functions as a doorbell but also as a security camera. The device often operates on battery power, but the exact battery location may vary depending on the model.
Where is the battery located?
Typically, in most ADT doorbell camera models, the battery is located at the back of the device. You will usually find a compartment or a panel that can be removed to access the battery. Make sure to handle this part gently to avoid causing any damage.
How to access the battery?
Accessing the battery usually involves a few simple steps. 1. Remove the doorbell from its mount. Most models require you to take off the doorbell from its mounting bracket. You can do this by gently sliding or unclipping the doorbell. 2. Find the battery compartment. Look for the battery compartment at the back of the device. It might have a small latch or screw to keep it securely closed. 3. Open the compartment. You may need a small screwdriver to open this compartment. Once open, you should see the battery inside. Remember, it's crucial to be careful while handling electronic devices, and make sure the doorbell is off or disconnected from any power sources. We hope that this video has helped you locate the battery in your ADT doorbell camera. Remember, always handle electronic devices with care and make sure to follow all safety precautions. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have more questions.